Hello guys, and this is a new video. Like, for real guys, it's been a while. I miss y'all. So this video is going to be about a user on my subscriber list that points out to something that I really miss. So shout out to you, shout out to you. I really appreciate you, and thanks for subscribing. So as I do say on this channel, any question that you guys come up with, any problem that you guys are, any challenges that you guys are facing, I'm here for you as fast as possible. I will reply you and I will record a video if need be. So the user points out that I did not connect Vepaar with Stripe, that I have to work on that. So truthfully, I intentionally skipped that part because I don't have a Stripe account. So I decided to show you guys my demo Stripe account, which is not approved. So it's still going to be the same thing, the same process. So okay, let's quickly do that so I won't waste your time, because I've been saying so since guys. So I'm just excited guys. So the first thing you have to do now is to go to your payment section. Please guys, where's my store, and you have to scroll down a bit and select payments. Very important, store payments. So you see my Stripe is not connected, and you click on your configure button here. Very important also. So let's proceed. So you have to enable. Now let's go to our Stripe. What we have to do is to go under this developer option. You select the developer. You just have to log into your Stripe. If you notice very well, mine is still in test mode, and the test mode, so if you are connected, yours is not going to have the label of the test mode. So you go to under the API key first. Very important. Then you copy the publishable key. Very important. So it has been created for long, I know. So you go back to here, you paste the publishable key there. Then you review the test key, which is going to be your secret key. You copy it also. You copy it, then you come back here, then you paste it here. Are you seeing what I'm doing, guys? So this last part is kind of the tricky part there. So I just copy my webhook. So what you have to do is to come down here. After we copy this area, we don't have anything to do on this page any longer. So you will connect your webhook. You click on your webhook here, then you add endpoints to it. Very important. The endpoint is going to be the URL we just copied here on Vepaar. I don't even know if I'm getting it right. Okay guys, so we just add endpoints. They ask us to select event to send, but we don't have to. We just receive all events. So and you can add a little description if you want. Then you add the endpoint. Very simple, very simple. This process is the same thing we are going to use for your not test data account. So you just do it exact same way I do it here. Then you publish it. Oh, okay. I think I supposed to fill in those details on my test version here. My test version here, because I input this detail. This detail is supposed to be for the test version, since my test account, since this is just a test account. But for you that have a Stripe account, you input it. Don't put it on the test version. You input it here. You follow the same procedure to input the detail here. I believe you understand me. So if there's anything you don't really understand, just let me know in the comment section below. So I really appreciate you guys turn out, and I will appreciate if you also keep sharing my videos. I need more subscribers, I need more views, so let's keep sharing. And it's very important you move to Vepaar Pro. I'll put a link in the description. Now hit the save button and you're done. Relax. As you can see now, your Stripe is now all set. That's all.